All right, so you got your LLC, you got your EIN. Hopefully, you got your business plan together. If you don't yet, please hit me up under the comments. I'll help you get that part situated. So now that you guys got those two important things, you got to get your insurance. Before you can get your MC number or your DOT number, you have to have insurance. So when it comes to insurance, it's going to vary greatly on a lot of different factors on the type of commodities that you're hauling, whether or not you're transporting passengers, whether or not you're transporting hazmat materials or not, the number of years of your CDL experience, your years in business, your driving record, your credit score. Those are all factors that are going to play a part in how much you're going to end up paying for your premium. The main types of insurance are liability. You know, you get into an accident, you're at fault. Your liability insurance needs to be covering the damages. Cargo, you want to actually cover the damages to your cargo if something were to happen. If somebody smashes into your drive-in because you weren't paying attention and there's $100,000 worth of cargo gets ruined, you got to have cargo insurance. And then you have commercial general liability, which I've heard different versions of this. Some newer brokers and some customers require it. It's more general liability against the company, but that's not a standard. So the standard minimum for all carriers is $750,000. Now, if you come over here to FMCSA website, they have a nice little summary right here, 750 to 5 million, depending on the commodities transported. I believe the 5 million is 100% relative to hazmat. Now, again, down here, if you are a freight forwarder or a broker, you need a surety bond of $75,000, which is, really not much compared to what we as a carriers have to make sure that we have. And then there's also different insurance types for household goods, of motor carriers and freight forwarders. So again, this is just a basic touch on it, guys, but this is by far the number one expense that you're going to have to deal with in trucking is insurance. So you want to make sure that you have the right kind of insurance, and then you want to make sure that you guys are properly covered. So again, this is just a brief touch on this, but you got your LLC, you got your EIN, you got your insurance, so now you can go ahead and get your MC number, your DOT number for whatever type of trucking company that you are running. So again, make sure that you have the right type of coverage for the type of business that you're running. So again, this is a brief touch. If you guys want to see more thorough walkthrough, feel free to join me on my school community, 100% free. I got resources and other trainings to help you figure this stuff out, walk through and get you set up so you can get on the road, start rolling, start making some money. Darius Jones, Trucking Advocate, signing out. Be safe. See you guys on the next one.